Hi friends, very good evening all of you. Today, CA intermediate and final results have been announced by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And for the first time in the history, I have never seen this and it has never happened in CA Institute's history that final and intermediate results are announced on the same day. Normally what happens, foundation and final results will be announced on the same day and intermediate results will be announced after probably 2 weeks or something like that. So actually CA intermediate results are expected to be announced before ICAI's notification a few days back. They are normally scheduled to be announced by the end of Jan. Today we are sitting on 10th of Jan. That means almost 15-20 days ahead of the schedule, they have released the results. Probably it could be because of the new syllabus, because there are so many changes, proposed changes for CA curriculum. Probably that is the reason to enable ICAI to release some announcement or notification regarding the new syllabus. They might have preponed the results by maybe 20 days. So every time whenever results come, faculty, all the faculty, not me, all the faculty will get multiple calls from the students with so many doubts. Some of them are, they are asking about next classes or the schedule, or some of them are like, where am I lacking? What am I supposed to do? Some of them are with the excitement that I cleared, final, what to do, how to pitch in into the job opportunities, employment, or I have cleared CA Inter, how to prepare for final, or some of them are for articleship. So there will be different queries. What is the query today? Everybody is asking, sir, what is the pass percentage? So that is the reason I just wanted to give you a very brief synopsis of ICAI's press release. If you look at my screen, this is for CA final examination. My personal opinion, opinions could definitely differ. Opinions are like looking at your wristwatch and looking at the time. Okay, so your time can be 10:30, my time can be 10:31, or someone's time can be 10:34. So, how time changes from one watch to one watch, or from one geography to another geography, like that, opinions also change. So one student who, passed the examination, if I say this time many students passed, he'll not like it. Or if I say this time result is good, a student who failed, he'll also not accept. So, it is like a psychological factor. But keeping all these things aside, my personal opinion, I tell you, I feel this time result is better than many of the previous attempts. Okay, we have already analyzed question papers, how easy or how tough question papers were. That analysis already has been done. Today we are looking at the results. This is for CA final. So group 1, out of 65,291 students appeared, 13,969 passed with a pass percentage of 21.39, which is quite decent for CA final. I consider personally anything about 12 is good for CA final. Okay, there is no benchmark as such, but I personally feel, because I have seen some of the attempts where 1%, 2% pass percentages are given. So 21.39 is quite decent according to me. Then group 2, out of 64,775 students appeared, 12,053 students passed with a pass percentage of 18.61, which is again extremely good, because many a times we observe group 2 pass percentage will be much lesser than group 1. That could be because of a reason. See, many students will write both the groups, but they will focus more on one group. So they pay for both the groups. They start preparing for both the groups. But at the end, when the exams are 1 month or 1.5 months, then they decide, no, I'll go with only one group. But still, they will write the second group also, the other group also. Because of that reason, majority of times, pass percentage of group 1 will be far ahead of pass percentage of group 2. That trend you can see here also, but marginally. But I consider group 2 pass percentage is also good. And those students who wrote both the groups, 29,242, out of them 3,243 passed, 11.09, which is again a decent figure. So overall, this is about CA final. Now let us look at CA intermediate results as well. This is intermediate examinations, November 2022, ICAI's press release. So they are saying for group 1, 1,265 students appeared, out of which 21,244 passed with a pass percentage of 21.19. So this Again, I consider this is a good pass percentage. And look at group 2. This is, we call medical miracle. So 25% of the students passed, 24.44. So approx, on 79,292 students out of 79,292, 19,380 passed. You can see 1/4. So this is around 80,000. This is around 20,000. So 25%, which is, pretty good. Not good, which is too good. Even both the groups, 12.72% of students passed. This is about CA intermediate. So for those who just wanted to know and understand what are the pass percentages, what are the statistics, how many students passed, how many students appeared, all that stuff, I just wanted to make a very short and brief video explaining what is the pass percentage. Okay, hope you understand how many students passed in CA final group wise and both the groups, and CA intermediate group wise and both the groups.